Tamiya HotShot Mark 1 version, 1985, doing a full strip down and a refurbish. I'll do some pictures of the box first. Yeah, thank you. Here's the side of the box. Kit number 5847. The other side of the box. Pretty cool motor, RX 540 SD Technic Power. Very cool. I've got one of those motors here. The Tamiya guidebook. Very cool book. This one was sold by Hobby Co for $5.50. Yeah, very cool. It's got the toy traders on the rear. There it is in the book. I've got the Mark 1 manual. It's not the best condition. As you can see, 8503 Mark 1. It's got a little bit of paint on there, but that's, yeah, adds to the nostalgia of it. The back of the manual. Inside the manual is actually pretty good. It's pretty mint condition actually, which is really good. Happy with that. A couple of other bits that were in the box as well. It's pretty cool about the speed controller. Got the heat resistors, how to do the wiring and all that on the rear. Here's a genuine Mark 1 HotShot, which I'm going to refurbish. I want to try and keep it all genuine Mark 1. Needs a lot of work, a lot of cleaning, a lot of polishing, paint stripping, a lot. See the 3-hole front bumper, really cool. You can see the heat resistors on the back, no wires connected. The 1-line drive shafts, a lot of overspray on this one. Yeah, it's very dirty, this car. It's got a lot of paint overspray on it too from, yeah, I'm not sure what happened there, but yeah, it's pretty much all over the whole car. It's going to take a fair bit to clean this, but hopefully we'll get there. The radio gear that's going into the Mark 1, pretty good condition, really good condition. Transmitter, got some documentation for it as well, which is pretty cool. This is what the transmitter looked like before I cleaned it. Came up really well. I was really happy with it. Okay, going to start stripping it down now. I can't believe how dirty this car is, how filthy. It's disgusting, really. Yeah, just yeah, pulling it apart. Yeah, I just can't get over how dirty this thing is. But yeah, got all the parts laid out now. Yeah, getting it sorted. Now we're going to start cleaning, yeah, polishing, get all that grime and dirt off, metal polish, yeah, getting all those metal parts clean, the heat sinks. You can see the difference between the two. Yeah, wow. Here's the first page out of the guidebook. So I've actually set out all the parts the same as that. Yeah, very cool. Took some time. Here's the shocks, front and rear, both really clean, looking good. Here's the servo and the speed controller, all clean, ready to go back in. Here's the gearboxes, all clean, ready for the gears. There's the polished roof. Took so much time to get that paint off, looking good. Here's some other suspension components. Yeah, came up like, yeah, pretty new. Here's the rear gearbox, yeah, all assembled. Came up pretty good. Here's some rear suspension components, yeah, a lot of polishing. His new body sticker set paint. Wasn't sure whether to go brush on or spray, but I decided to actually just go full original and actually brush the whole body. Came up good. Now we're starting to put it together, just doing some more painting, the spotlights in the body, driver, sorry. And there's the sports tune motor that I decided to put in there. There's the front gearbox. Yeah, front gearbox again, you can see those axles, they came up really good. A lot of hard work. There's the prop shaft. Yeah, it looks pretty good in there. Underneath the vehicle. Yeah, a lot of hard work went into this. Yeah, a lot of polishing, a lot of elbow grease, a lot of everything to try and get it back to this condition. Yeah, very happy with it, how it turned out. So we're getting it pretty much back together now. Yeah, looking pretty good. Bought some gold wheels for it, just to set it off. I think every HotShot should have the gold wheels. Yeah. I just put the body on without the decals. Just got a few shots. Yeah, I think it looks different without the decals on it. Yeah, very different. Yeah, very shiny. Here's the decal set that I've had to source, and yeah, here's the body with the decals. Yeah, very happy with it. Right, here it is, all done. The Mark 1 Refurbish. That bumper. Only on the Mark 1s, that bumper. It's on a more of an angle, got the 3 holes. Very cool. I think if you're gonna have a HotShot, you gotta have the gold wheels for sure. Really sets them off. Got the heat resistors at the back there. So cool. Do have the right motor to go in it now. Technipower RX 540 SD. Yeah, that should be in there. Got a sports tune in there at the moment. Not that I'm going to be driving this car, but yeah, probably will fit that motor in there. Yes, very cool. Here it is underneath. There's that skid plate with the 3 holes at the rear as well. Very cool. Not sure if you can really see, but with the Mark 1, that bumper stay underneath the shock there, it's got a screw in each end. That's only on the Mark 1 versions. If you know your HotShots, yeah, you'll know what I mean with that. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you.